Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, in order to change the in-game language, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. Now within the settings page, if you scroll all the way down, you can find the language option at the left side. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can change both your text and audio language. To change the in-game language, just click on the drop-down menu alongside text. You will now see various different languages that are available for the game. Just choose whichever language you wish to play the game in, and you will need to restart the game in order to apply your changes. After the game has been restarted, your language will be applied to the game right away. If at any point you wish to once again change the language, just tap on the gear icon at the top left, and then go into the last option from the left side. You can then once again choose the first drop-down menu to select your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.